So when we started working on what would an artisanal suite be for our monogram suite of appliances, it was easy for us to draw from local inspiration, other artisanal crafted products that come from Kentucky, such as bourbon. We have a rich heritage of bourbon distilling in Kentucky. So some of the details that you'll see within the artisanal suite are the copper details. Those are inspired by copper stills used in bourbon distilling. The black banding, they're reminiscent of the black banding on bourbon barrels. We even worked in details on the burner caps that were inspired by patterns on millstones used for crushing grain. Even the configuration of the appliances drew upon our history. So GE Appliances back in the 1930s actually used to make some appliances that looked somewhat similar to this. So we have an armoire fridge, freezer, and an elevated cooktop oven on legs with a downdraft vent. Some of the finish trends that we saw that we wanted to pull into this suite are the rise of warm metals, brass, copper, warm glass materials, such as this mirrored bronze glass that is the hue of bourbon. We're seeing glass layered with different textures, such as in this suite we layered it with a bronze mesh. It's not just glass, it takes on a texture or a mirrored finish. When you're not using your cooktop, you can fold down that whole back panel and it becomes a work surface. So on the top of the work surface, we've inlaid a slab of limestone. So limestone is a beautiful detail in the suite, but it also, again, harkens back to the bourbon making process where limestone filtered water is used. Kitchens and homes that are embracing this artisanal crafted look, you start to see items within those homes take on a more furniture-like appearance because they're more like handcrafted pieces, works of art. Whereas in our minimal kitchen, the appliances were almost hidden and very cohesive and blended in together. In our artisanal kitchen, it's the complete opposite. So the appliances actually stand out and they're statement pieces. Each is a crafted piece of furniture.